Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will start another important grammar topic, that is modals. Students, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verb, that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility, etc. Students, look at this example. Two of my friends can play guitar. Here today's modal can shows ability. Students can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, dare, need. These all are modal auxiliaries. Okay, these all are modal auxiliaries. Students, actually modal auxiliaries are called modals because they express the mode or manner of the action denoted by the main verbs, whether the work can be done or not, whether the action should take place or not, whether the action is necessary or not, and whether there is hope for the completion of the work or not. Now students, remember that modal auxiliaries do not change their form according to the gender and number of subject. For example, students, they can swim, she can solve this sum. But students, primary auxiliary changes its form according to the number and person of the subject, but modal auxiliary remains unchanged. For example, students, they have solved the sum, then he has washed the clothes, we are washing the clothes. So students, remember that primary auxiliary changes its form according to the number and person of the subject, but modal auxiliary remains unchanged. Okay, then students, modal auxiliary is not used alone but is always used with the main verb, and only the first form, remember, only the first form of the verb can be used after a modal auxiliary. Okay, after a modal auxiliary we should use only the first form of the verb. Now students, let's start with the modals and appropriate use of modals with examples. So students, let's take first one, modal may. Here students, we use modal may to express, we can say, possibility, permission. Okay, but a may is used for all persons in the present and future tense. Okay, for example students, to seek or grant permission, बेटा अगर हमें किसी से परमिशन लेनी है, okay, to seek or grant permission या किसी को परमिशन देनी है, then students we use modal may. For example, may I come in, sir? You may go home now. Okay, then students, to express possibility, okay, to express possibility we use modal may. For example, it may rain tonight. Okay, it may rain tonight. Then students, for wish and pray, beta, to express a wish or we can say a prayer, then we use modal may. For example students, may God bless you, may you live long, may you be happy and prosperous. Okay, like this students, we can use may modal to express a wish or prayer. Okay, then students, for present purpose we use modal may. For example students, Raj works hard so that he may pass the एग्ज़ाम, ताकि वो एग्ज़ाम में पास हो सके. क्या पर्पज़ है बेटा उसका वर्क हार्ड करने का? राज वर्क्स हार्ड सो दैट ही मे पास द exam. Okay, to express our purpose we use modal may. Okay, then students, let's take some more examples. You may go home now. Okay, to grant permission we can use. Then she told me that she might come. For possibility here we can use this modal. Okay, then students, let's move on to the might. Okay, let's move on to the might. Students, might is the past tense of may. Okay, it is used for all persons in the past tense. So students, first of all, let's see, might is used to express the past tense of may in the reported speech. For example, he prayed that I might live long. Then beta, for past purpose we use modal might. For example, he ran fast. Ran at second form. He ran fast so that he might catch the train. For present purpose we can use modal may, and for past purpose we can use modal might. Then students, to show slight or we can say remote possibility, students we use modal might. Means बेटा बहुत कम possibility हो. Okay, means doubtful है आप. Like the sky is clear but it might rain. Means बहुत कम chances है बेटा बारिश होने के. Okay, then we use modal might, okay, to express slight or we can say remote possibility. Okay, for example students, here we can take one more example. Like the inspector might visit the school. Means doubtful है हम कि हो सकता है कि इंस्पेक्टर आए या नहीं आए. Okay, to express a doubtful possibility we use modal might. Then students, to express the past tense, here we can use like he asked me if he might take my bicycle. Okay, to express the past tense of may in the reported speech we use modal might. Okay, then students, look at the modal can. Here students, to show the following modes we can use modal can. For example students, to show ability or we can say capacity we use modal can. For example, my grandfather can speak Tamil, my grandmother can speak English. Means आपकी ability show करने के लिए. Okay, आपकी ability show करने के लिए, योग्यता show करने के लिए students we use modal can. Okay, can is used to express ability, like I can open this lock. Okay, she can speak English fluently. Okay, then students, for possibility we use modal can. Modal can we can use for the possibility also. For example, anyone can make a mistake. किसी से भी बेटा mistakes हो सकती हैं, possibility है इस चीज़ की. Okay, to express possibility we use modal can. Then students, for permission, okay, for permission, to grant permission students, or we can say to seek permission we use modal can also. For example, can I come in, can I take your pen. Okay, here again we can use modal can. Let's move on to the modal could. Students, could is the past tense of can. And beta, to express the past tense of can in the reported speech we use modal could. For example students, he asked me if he could come in. Then students, to express ability or we can say ability in the past we use modal could. For example students, when I was young I could run fast. Okay, here we are talking about past. Then students, to show polite request or we can say to express a polite request we use modal could. For example students, could you please help me, could you show me your pen, could you show me your pencil. Okay, like this students we can use different models. Okay, now students, I hope that all of you have understood it well. Now students, revise all these models and try to understand. That's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.